Lucy Letby was sentenced to life in prison for the murder of 8 newborn babies at the Countess of Chester Hospital in Cheshire. The ruling came after a 2-month trial at Liverpool Crown Court. Prosecutors argued that the time of the deaths was the most serious case of infanticide ever encountered in this country. For her part, Letby continued to protest her innocence, claiming that she had not deliberately killed any child. However, the jury ultimately found her guilty of murdering 8 babies and attempting to murder 10 more. The jury deliberated for almost 8 hours and the verdict was unanimous. It was a long and difficult case that had consumed the court's time for almost 2 months. After the decision was announced, Letby was sentenced to life in prison, with a minimum of 30 years before she can be considered for parole. Her attorney, Leslie Herman, said that Letby was immensely disappointed with the verdict and that she would be filing an appeal soon. Friends and family who were in court to support her were visibly shaken after the announcement was made. Despite the length of the trial and the complexity of the case, the court found that Letby's actions had caused irreparable harm to a number of families, and rightly handed down a severe sentence. Letby's attorneys have made it clear that they will appeal the verdict and the length of her prison sentence. The decision was made only after much careful thought and deliberation, and the jury ultimately found that the consequences of Lucy Letby's actions were too heinous to overlook. Their verdict sends a strong message that harming children in any way will not be tolerated. The families of the victims and the community at large have had to go through an incredibly difficult period. While the trial and the verdict have finally provided some closure for them, it will take some time for the pain to subside. The sentence handed down to Lucy Letby shows that justice has been served and that society will not tolerate such violence against its youngest members. Despite the gravity of her actions, Letby's attorneys are hopeful that the appellate court will review her case in a more lenient manner. Until the appeals process is complete, Letby will remain in prison, serving her sentence and hoping for a more favorable outcome. While Letby cannot undo the harm that she has caused, she can use the time to reflect on her actions and to seek forgiveness, if and when she is released. The outcome of this court case serves as a reminder of how precious life is and the importance of protecting it. Society must take steps to protect its children, as they are the most vulnerable members of our communities. Those who break the law must face the consequences of their actions, and Lucy Letby's life sentence is certainly in line with such expectations. Courts must, however, show compassion and understanding when appropriate, to ensure that justice is served in a balanced manner. No amount of jail time can make up for the lives that were taken, but it may serve as a deterrent to others considering similar actions.